Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you ways to remove Instagram account. In order to remove your Instagram account, first of all you'll need to go ahead and open up or log in into your Instagram account. Once logged in, go ahead and tap the profile icon. From the top right hand side corner, click the tab bar and go to settings and privacy. So recently Instagram has updated features, so you do not need to log in from web browser in order to remove or delete your account. So all you need to do is tap the account center button. This is going to take you to the account center page. Here, scroll down a bit and go to personal details. Here, go ahead and tap on account ownership and control and click on deactivation or deletion in order to delete your account. If you have multiple accounts, go ahead and select the particular one, and next page is going to ask you to select the particular options and click the continue button. On the other interface, you'll need to give a reason for deactivating or removing your account, so go ahead and tap on it and click the continue button. For the confirmation, it's going to ask you to type in the password associated with your Instagram account. So go ahead and type in the one, and then you'll be notified that you've successfully deactivated. So in this way you can remove Instagram. So in this way you can remove your Instagram account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.